Hey you guys, I am back to add my last ingredient to my rice water remix. So if you are interested, keep watching you guys. Hey, this is Sheba Renee, and thank you for tuning in today. So yes, I am sharing my rice water remix with you guys, and as you can see, the aloe vera is the missing ingredient that I'm going to add today. I like to add aloe vera because it is very soothing to the scalp. It has plenty of vitamins, and it is very hydrating for my fine, high porosity hair. Also, I am on the water washing only method, and this is a great conditioning treatment for my strands. So I hope you guys enjoy. Hit that subscribe button, and thanks again for watching, and I will see you soon.